Alright, hey guys. Today I'll be showing you how to install Too Many Items 1.3.2. So what you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to type Minecraft.
Levi, can you shut me to Levi, can you bring me to Levi, can you bring me to the
one sec. Let me pause it. Anyway, sorry about that. You want to click on download Too Many Items. A lot of people don't know where it is. It's right there. And then you go, please wait, 3, 2, 1. And then you want to skip the ad. It's going to bring up too many items. You want to show it in the folder. Then you want to move it to your desktop. I already have it. Let's in place. So once you got the too many items, if you want infinite stats, you need the mod loader. Mod loader is the same way you download the too many items. So first we're going to do the mod loader. So you go in here and you type in %app %. Then you want to look for your .minecraft. Go into your bin and write your .minecraft. Click on open with WinRAR archive. You always want to delete the main info or you will get a black screen. Then you want to open up your mod loader, hold control and click A. Drag all them folders into the Minecraft option. Then you can exit out of the mod loader and you want to open up Too Many Items. Control A and then move them in. Once they're in, you exit out of everything. Go into Minecraft. Well, it should have worked for you. Probably because I'm recording. I'll test it later without recording. So, see ya.